Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll look at how we can install guest additions on VirtualBox for Kali Linux. Now this is a new install of Kali Linux, and before we can install the guest additions we'll need to update the packages. So let's go ahead and open the terminal, and then we'll run two commands here. I'm gonna do sudo apt update, put our password. And then I'll also run sudo apt -y dist upgrade. Okay, so the command is done. Now this command right here might take several minutes if it's your first time running it, so be aware of that. Okay, now with that done, the next thing we'll need to do is to attach or to insert the guest addition CD image. So go to devices, insert guest addition CD image, and it should pop up here. This is it right here. Now we need to copy the contents of this CD to our home directory. So we can open these folders here, and if you click on it, you'll see there's a media here, and this is it right here. We need to open this again. So we have two windows. We need to copy this and then put it in our home directory here. So paste. Okay, next thing is to open the terminal again, and if I do ls, you'll see that I have it here. Let's cd to cd-rom this. So these are the contents of it. We just need to run this file right here. We can do sudo // let's copy it and see, copy selection. Okay, say yes here. So it's saying that the kernel headers not found. So let's see if we can install the kernel headers here. So the command to install the kernel headers is going to be sudo apt install c-y linux headers. Then we'll supply the variable, which is the kernel version here, using uname -r. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a reboot. We might have to do a reboot after running the upgrade command. So let's reboot, and then we'll try that command again. Okay, I'm gonna log back in. I'm gonna open the terminal again, and let's rerun the command to install the Linux headers again. Apt install /y Linux headers. Uname -r. Okay, now the command is working. So after you do the upgrade, you have to do a reboot. You have to reboot your system, otherwise the command to install the headers is not going to work. You're going to run into an error. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clear this. ls, I'm going to cd to cd-rom again. Let's try and rerun this right here. Box. Actually, let's just copy and paste it. Copy selection, paste. As you can see now, we didn't get that error about the headers, so the command is successful this time. Okay, so it's saying that the system has to be restarted, okay, in order for all the changes to take effect. So that's it. So once you have that installed, you still have this disk here. So let me close this. So you still have this disk here. You'll need to detach it using the settings. Now I'm just going to shut this down. I'm going to open VirtualBox. Just right click on the virtual machine, go to settings, under storage. This is the disk right here. We need to remove disk from virtual drive, and now it should be detached. and then just click OK. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install VirtualBox Guest Additions for Kali Linux. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.